Hi, this news. Mema Ubia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news in Ghana. And I'm the Bremo. Anuti say when you subscribe to the channel that Bomodia say over subscribe. You'll be able to say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. Where the new video be about upload. When the first person I was ever can a video don't have so Ubia na like the video give us a thumbs up na share my offer first na when you be here now wo hu nya eko Afriyie hwe ensema apeto ye panso
I want to repeat this statement. The ticket of Bawumia na po wo to abama wo ya boa wo nim nyansa wadwen da fam ye tietia so apeche no apro asai enye se wonye nipa o wo ye nipa me don me bu me ni so me kondo na emom no wo yesa se obi ndo oman a onye nipa oyekwase a se obi ndo oman a onye nipa.
I was home yesterday after my birthday bash on the radio and TV. The CEO called me that he has something to tell me. And then he started talking. There's so much pressure coming from left, center, right on the founder and president and blah, blah, blah. So he wants me to call the president. But I shouldn't let him know that he asked me to call him. I said, what's happening?
This is getting interesting.
Any day, any time, if there's any nonsense going on in this country, I will rise and talk. I will keep shouting. I'll keep pointing the mistakes. If you're a politician, it is your responsibility to either like me or hate me, because you don't fit me. And until we begin to do that, we can never ever save this country. I am not afraid. I am not worried. I am not perturbed. I am not disturbed. I am a happy man. I am enjoying my family. And the 30 days they say I should stay home. Thank God, man. Charlie, many beji bruta.
Or they say stay home for 30 days?
Yes, 1 month. I was home yesterday after my birthday bash on the radio and TV. The CEO called me that he has something to tell me. And then he started talking. There's so much pressure coming from left, center, right on the founder and president and blah, blah, blah. So he wants me to call the president. But I shouldn't let him know that he asked me to call him. I said, what's happening?
This is getting interesting.
So I told him on the phone that the night before yesterday, na menya information saying Kophobia share or coffee shop or a plan with some people already.
Coffee shop yeah,
oh, massa.
Laboni coffee.
Exactly. I mean, Captain Smart is becoming too loud. He's making some people unpopular. He's making this unpopular. He's doing that and that. A whole lot of things. I said that, look, if today, Captain, means me no praise God, I will leave. I come from me because I'm not a lazy person. Yes, my brain works, Papa. Crawford, no, Abang, the church on the letters from Ghana Revenue Authority, GRA4 Tata, no, Nina is because Semi Casadodo. I'm saying,
GRA4 Tata, so on the one sika na.
Well, I don't know. These are the things he said.
That's what he said.
Yes.
Or because I say Captain Smart Casadodo.
Yes. I'm saying, I don't know you. Ya catch them say. Me say, seven. Nana Addo Dr. Bawumia ni Alancha Matini IGP. Omu yejimi for. Now me say, on air. I say yes, you said it on air. I'm so penny. Met me a kabibia we assume. But to go to that extent, to say that the president of the land, the vice, the IGP, and Alancha Martin, omu yejimi for there. No. If you can provide me with the evidence, I will apologize to the world and resign from your company.
But your shows are recorded.
I mean, they are on Facebook Live. The compensation cost one or can say and nam sa pressure into no. Send your point Juma. Obepe say anka ben tweme ho kakra na ade no mu dwa pressure na ye de man no ba for man. I'm so okay if that is what is going to help you, because I'm just one individual. When you have this whole lot of companies, if Captain Smart alone would bring your company down, why not? I'll do that for you. It's Kweku started the show. After the intro, then he called, said, pressure samba bium.
So now starting.
We started show no.
You call it Anopabofo, yes.
Until I'm so okay. And
at about what time no Frel? Because 5:30 they are matching.
No, me started 5:30. 5, I think 7 minutes after 6 in the morning. And no Frel.
Sesame.
Say in common you're born and run any idea no. Or can say can maintain, and then I'm saying no, you said let me work today. No, say sign communication when you call classes here, it's okay. See there. Let me drop this.
Oh, so you had to stop the show?
Yes, I did.
But you have news at 6.
Yes.
So this is after the news?
That's before the news ended.
Before the news? Oh, so the news was going on when he spoke to you?
And then I said okay.
So did you go back after the news to
No,
sign
I did
off?
not. So the other team members had to continue, and then that's it. So he told me he sent the general manager of to bring me a letter. Yesterday around 10:49 thereabout, I saw my brother calling. They said he has something for me. I said, what do you have for me? He said, I've been asked to bring you a letter. I said, letter at this time? I will not be allowed to step out. If it is about me stepping out for some time, so there's no need for that letter. I saw him, took a shot of it, sent it to me on WhatsApp, and that's it.
What is in the letter?
Well, the letter says that I've been too hard on Nanado, the vice president.
In the letter?
In the letter. I mean, they said I've been using some harsh words on the president and the vice president, and then the IGP, and that he's called me on several occasions to stop those things, and I'm not stopping, and all that. And for that matter, I should proceed on suspension for 1 month, and then after 1 month, I resumed. What the letter says.
So technically, it's a suspension.
That's what. That's what the letter says.
For assets where using unprintable words against high-profile.
According to the letter.
Against who? The fire?
No, I mean issues happening, and this whole thing was about. It's from Galamsey, and then to Yakaya dear as of mine.
Oh, the national debt, yes.
Yes, and it started from the IGP.
Why?
You remember I said that your police photo by heart. Yes, bullion van police need to be able to only bulletproof. Police need them heart yekuno. And I was like, really? We live in a country, 21st century, and police officers are sitting in bullion vans with this long-wheeled weapons. Say police need to know or the shed door in change say no was out to door in. It is say obi nipa boni bi even want to attack them. They kind of can't move you know as I say obi a door no. That's what we do no. The baby a what tea. By the time I'll bet you to look around, then the panic. Yeah. It drew time I say you Jaisa. And I said it and I will repeat.
So you are talking about the arrangement of the police people when they are on patrol.
Exactly.
You think they should hold a gun themselves, a small gun?
I mean they should have some side arms. That makes it easier for them.
Why are you blaming the IGP for that?
But who is in charge?
Okay, he is, yeah. Of course.
He is. And I said that, look, when you're careful about the West IGP, because you had already gone on radio, promised that you have two police in Fakatuen.
Yes.
I
don't know.
Amma.
Oh, you're sure about that?
Amala.
What's that here?
Amma. Till today, ask the police officer.
Ministry of Finance.
Oh, I will not sit on this huge platform.
Okay. And
then I said that, look, IG, why you're careful? Who the West IG? Then somebody from somewhere calls me and say that on man pennyphobia, or me pennyphobia protection. A man will say you need to keep quiet, and I said me keeping quiet. I mean, innocent police officers. They don't sleep. They are the people to protect us, and they are being killed like Nkoko. I said that Galamsey is going on in Chebi. It's still going on there. And I said that if Nanado, my president, I admire so much, if he really want to paint a very beautiful picture that he is really on against the fight against Galamsey, he should stop the Galamsey in the one room. And I will say it again. So Nanado person,
did you show videos of the Galamsey?
Oh, I did. So
you showed videos?
I did. So you
have the videos?
I did.
And so the video show that this is Chebi.
So Galamsey.
Not Esiakwa, not Achim Kutuku, not
when you say, everybody knows. My team members were invited by some chiefs. And I said that, look, Galamsey in Jaya, stop Ukromudiano. And I will say it again, Nanado.
No, I'm asking, do you have evidence
watching me, I am saying that
he may not be watching
Galamsey in Jaya, stop Ukrom Galamsey first.
Okay, but do you have evidence that
have you been there before?
I've been to Chebi before, yes.
When?
Oh, it's been a while. I went to a funeral there the last time.
Oh, I mean, Chebi is not as huge as Accra. Yes.
So you have the evidence of that. So you made the point about the presence of Galamsey no be on the
room.
No Munjai na Ebeja Ghana there.
One said the tier say and penny force your bottom free. Yes. But then if you shall say would fee. It is say
the presence no a policy work. A broad
answer. If you have a policy and the policy out what they ban. Say you are the bonia, not a big cost will be a what tiny baby, I will free. If it is true, you went to do what? Take 213,000 Ghana cedis to organize a press conference about me, Captain Flan.
No, but Captain, do you think Obiti Sajum for or your Chrome Force also Obeji 213,000 Ghana cedis?
Nippon Obama man no Jubilee House. Say you're doing the Yashisha Mobi. And like I wrote in my
Facebook response.
They are doing their paymasters bid. Sentisa Minia may present our Krumha. Say yes, obi a Kubika. You say, Unya story cry on the AGJ for the president. Yes, Unya story. I said, we see actually there will be some years and so I publish it and I'm a one.
Yeah.
And it's a way a presenter, we are journalists. Now what's the assembly? Now we call broadcast it. That's when we say no man who should boom now. Koya then why? You know how be sir.
I say almost wa. O say there obi obeto abama MPP bia ya aboa.
Oh, me bra. Say aban wo ho. Na aban enye sika over $77 billion in just 8 years. Now there's nothing to show her. Sa aban no ya aban me. Mama answer. Wa mama answer.
Oja say 70.
Opa, Gyamfi, the current dollar rate from 2017. Ghana Revenue Authority, Omusika, was 2018. 2017, GRA revenue was 69.8 billion Ghana cedis, almost 70 billion. And it has been so apart from 2018 around was it 59.8 baby they divide it for 70 billion Ghana cedis, they divide by 15. So revenue saying abaniya the obenyano times by 8. We are for loans are buying way in billions of dollars. Then also come we are bonds are buying the Zaka, then also come we and no brand grant. Yeah, more for your friend copy the buy. Sikado no about buying in seven. To an extent, say, Kojo International Airport. In Nipa, all Ginger copy the Husika, Udu wire say test you will say you say vaccinate you, say you from $200 to to $150, later to $100. That's the kind of money and do what you're saying. A coin, for those you will come to appreciate that buying win seminal. Only God can tell how much. Necessary buying into me and first Africa no anye bribia a year monumental. This is what we are saying. One say in Japadia ba kope Aumudi Jagana. I just want to know.
Okay, so John Fossey, just tell the person, say, why you just can't went me and find anything monumental. But men can't be Asema and Twaba man PP. That's all your campaign.
Now, some men are okay. Asema okay. I don't hear CNN. CNN more on TV no so because on to Obama Biden no mo ye adwuma be. Jomfo oni krom ha wan support Obama. That time no a farmer and I no journalist. That time no Jomfo no a farmer. 2016 na Jomfo na ni abre ofre ye yeshia. Oye part of the NPP journalists and ye meetings. How to campaign for the New Patriotic Party to come to power. No? But I'm not a mechanic. I'm not doing for no a mechanic.
I was no kangrawa.
No, you see, this hypocrisy and sycophancy, no.
John for now 2016 oka MPP media team no.
No matter 2020, 2018 kura leading to 2020 elections, no. Then a course. Pisano. Now, to line so. Now, no. Oh, Pisano, what they friend bra? Any other topping on and no yejuma. Pentecost elder station and no yejuma.
Now, on the other Cabrera yejuma.
Daddy know what topping
Tobingo.
I think Pisano. Me pen true. Into me wouldn't me ya dear na yeah. May you never can come baby. Pisano on no John Ford. Hey, 2020 na or your carpentry.
In 2020 ana your friends say won to me your friends say John Mahama say John Mahama awo prekese on radio so na dwonfo no okroma. I see
me there me can say you do baby ya say ya me ya you me the only two we have are these two leading political parties. Me am the Miami Party, Convention People's Party, ACPP. Yes, sure, say we meet with the flag bearer. Because we are in July, August, September, October, November. We are left with only 4 months to go to elections. Nobody can do any serious magic to do anything. Watch I say. And let truth be told, young can of Kuruma. And only idea a kum yen. And we are questioning this, we are questioning MPP. It is a Obi MPP near. So come on to because we MPP din. Obi NDC near. So come on to because we NDC din. Minia want to radio you so entity be mind this in penny for. When you be that.
Oh, so and you're fine.
If the thing is not good, you say it. What is Jomfo talking about? Sammy Maka said, so who were a minister of state, yet are buying security and a cabinet and no catch a former president. Say, woman constitution ni papa pamba, woman ni papa pebia and Fana Mati say John Dramani Mahama. And to Mahama Yedi Pabaya, me former president too. Me NDC, Mahama is my former president. Kufuor is my former president. Nanado will become my former president. Bawumia is very soon will become my former vice president. And say Obi Kojina baby. Na Obi na no kasa ansem na. How would you feel? Koto de na budget meboa. Yemfa nto abem kwan mu. Na ade hye mbom bra. This is what we should preach against. And yes, I could just want to move you. And yes, me intersofita and menum, intersofita menum, but Milia, who do minor was say or minor. As I see intersofita the twin chain, we are tintesuko quarter. And my next time, what to 1 hour ya dear ya, we will probably so the demand penia. Ubesi answer. The one who said no, or mine I make good dear Nemo, Sabia Blue Sabia Yado, and yeah, baby, a chain cat yet tongue, and I make a CEO. And ya reho, GJ Fogu cream. Nama mia, innocent woman, a winner accident. Yet in yet tamnato ambulance, and Akushina Gurem to say Sabi, ball as what be. GJ Fogu who is Adiano, enter in your home press conference. Make up and smart as an umbeka, Omotiti. And me, let me say this and repeat again. So nobody in this country, nobody under the sun can break my resolve. I am determined, I am focused, I am poised, I am ready, and nobody can ever stop me from anywhere. Unless, of course, me and Kasameko could do Bonibia, Minya Swakatria. But say, Payam and Namswa, ye born me as a gun a bit in your free baby papa. Emma May and my Niman no co hospital, a 1 year room for no. Now, one I sees you acquire innocent child, not the hospital, because no man means me to because it's nobody under the sun can ever stop me. And I want to send this warning to Mujije for no. That is why I'm using the word Mujije, because Memijije, Mempejije, Menjoini Media Association, Bia Okuma, Mempesos that join Bia. I want to be my own, so I can speak my mind if the thing is not good. If you think I've said something and you don't like it, that's fine. But you don't put a whole association together to go and organize a presser. How childish is this? This is so baby. They're too babyish. How? Because of saying 213,000 Ghana cedis. Now, penny 47. Back what I say. Yet, a quiet war Ghana. A quiet war Ghana. She, number boom, not a coon. Boom, not a coon, boom, not quite a coon. Mpacho, Yenny by your Tony man and the Hofe your friends and cry. What's the name?
Ebony.
Ebony Yakwan Fune Kuno. Ebony Yakwan Fune Kuno. If we have fixed that road, Anka Ebony in Tiasia, where is the Ghana Journalists Association? Where is the independent, Ghana independent, whatever, broadcasters, whatever they call themselves? Where are they? Can they for once sit down and reason with the ordinary Ghanaian? Ghanaians are dying. They need the media. Ghana for new Kabafo will be biabium. The NDC will do what they want to do. The NPP will continuously do what they want to do. It is up to the media for us to actually be on the side of the dying populace. And then these guys are sitting there because of what? The senior journalists, Makawa Aka, and they are two market to Jubilee House. They go there and they take 50,000 Ghana cedis a month. Every month, they go there and take 50,000 Ghana cedis. I've said it on my show several times. I'm telling any of them to come and challenge me. Senior journalists,
senior journalists for Bear.
Oh, that's how I own him. I'm going to Jubilee House and go 50,000.
I ain't for no. Captain, Sammy minimum crop cry. I tell you, I'll mention them. I ain't for no.
Me say, some that no me catch it say, Mami up to October. Obi ada kadem. Me na me catch it. So they catch it. So October not to go. Mami up to October. How we must say a can of kore. Ni jai sika jijien. Yen can of kore wukum ha. Ye yen central for ye tron sem ni ye can sem. Ebe buan nipa me nipa sekre timi aye. Na sa wo ye presenter. Na man who boom no akwaji 50,000 every month. O man who boom no akwaji 40,000. Na enkofo free him be sunlight. Udru one on sunlight e jisika na as a concert ticket. Is that how to Sunday your mind?
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.